Hey everyone, Tavits here with this month's blog post. Today we are talking about neck straps and my personal recommendation for you. There are two here. The third one that is supposed to be here I am not including, and that is the neck strap that comes with your camera. The neck strap that comes with your camera has zero padding. It feels like there's a rope around your neck. It's extremely uncomfortable. So I just completely eliminated that from this lineup. Today we are talking about the Sunpack Platinum Plus, which is in my hand to the left. And then we're talking about the Deluxe brand neoprene neck strap, and that's in my hand to the right. So the difference between the two is pretty significant, and I want to explain why. So starting from the bottom, you will see that the nylon strap is actually really thin, and it even feels thin. It's just not a well-made product, and I can honestly tell you that without even using it for an extended amount of time, this isn't going to last long in comparison to the Sunpack, and we'll get to that in a minute. With the padding here, the material, you can just feel that it's really cheap. This is about a week's worth of usage, and if you look at both sides, then the actual stitching is starting to fall apart. Out of the box, the item has pointed tips that kind of came off the edge, and when I took this off and on around my neck, this actually cut my neck, and it was bleeding from the neck. So this is on all four corners. I had to actually trim the corners off just because it was so sharp. That just gives you an idea of the material. It is very stiff and just not well made. The only plus side I can give on this particular product is the width. This is about 2 inches, and it's fairly thick. So it's nice and squishy, it's thick, and that's the only thing it's got going for it. I found this on Amazon for about $3 and then $6 shipping, so it's about $9 total. Now if we move over to the Sunpack neoprene neck strap, this you can just tell it's thicker. I mean, look, if I put this next to this, you can actually see the difference between the two, and it's pretty astounding. It's much thicker, it's not as thin, and it just looks and feels better. I have been using this particular neck strap for 7 years, and I tried something new, and this still is probably my favorite product that I use when it comes to my camera for comfortability. Moving forward to this particular part, the actual attachment from the neoprene to the strap, you can just see that it's well made, it's well stitched together. I've never had any issues with the point on these corners cutting me when I take it off and on my neck. And it's very packed, it's very dense. Now over time this does fall apart. More than the average photographer, I use my camera a lot, and this does come apart over time, but it maybe takes about 2 years, give or take, until I actually saw any deterioration in this, just because of heat, humidity, sweat, all the above. The actual neck strap here is about 1.5 inches wide compared to the 2 inches for the Deluxe. So it's a little bit smaller, but I've never had an issue, and it is still really comfortable for day-to-day usage. This can also be found on Amazon. It's currently an add-on item, but you can still purchase it individually, but it costs a little bit more. This product ranges from $6 to $32, depending on where you shop at. So the pricing may vary, but the average price I found is about $15 if you can find that. So that's this month's review between both products. In this head-to-head, I would have to vote and go with the Sunpack Platinum Plus neoprene neck strap. Other brands are out there that are competitors. They try to do the same thing, but it's just not the same. I hope this video has helped you. If you have any questions or recommendations that you feel could be beneficial to other photographers or even myself, feel free to drop a line below and let me know.